Revati. I am from India. Currently I am living in Singapore. I came here after marriage with my husband and I am here in the vegetable department of All India Supermart. Today I am going to cook red biryani. The main ingredient for the dish is beetroot and other vegetables like onion, tomato, fresh peas, all those things. While buying these vegetables, while purchasing here, it's just stirring the memories of the days which I spent with my mother in buying the vegetables. I'm in the 4th floor of All India Supermart. In this floor, we can get all the ingredients, spicy ingredients. I'm going to pick the ingredients needed for my red biryani. Okay, now let's go to the rice section. And now that's it. I have finished purchasing all the ingredients needed for my biryani and everything I purchased in All India Supermart. And now let's go to my home and start with the recipe red biryani. Let's start the preparation of the biryani now. Heat up the pan. Once the pan got heated, add the ghee. I'm adding 2 spoons of ghee. Once the ghee got heated, I'm going to add the garam masala powder. For garam masala, I have powdered everything. Add the chopped onions. We need to fry the onions until it becomes golden brown. First, I tried this biryani by using millet rice. So for the first time I tried with this beetroot recipe, it came very well. In the millet rice itself, the taste was nice, so I thought of using the basmati rice because it was giving the exact biryani taste. Once upon a time when my mother was not in my home, no one beside me, I prepared sambar and kutta and poriyal for my father. He was so happy that I have cooked without my mother's help. My father was proudly saying to my mother, like, my daughter cooked right, it is a very nice. I just loved it. Don't worry about her, she'll just learn cooking. Like that he was used to tell. Now the onion got fried up. Add the ginger garlic paste. So once it is nicely mixed, add the chopped tomatoes. Little bit of salt. After marriage, I cooked this for my husband using this basmati rice and even with the millet. He likes it very much.
When I tasted this red biryani first time, I was really, I don't know whether it's biryani or not because it was red color, no vegetable inside. So I was initially shocked, but when I was tasted, it was really good.
Now the tomato got mashed up. Add green chilies. If you want more spiciness, you can add chili powder next. So I'm going to add both the things. I'm going to add green peas. Now I'll add little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of chili powder. Now add the chopped coriander leaves. If you want, you can add chopped mint leaves also. In this stage, now we can add the grated beetroot. The magic in this red biryani is mainly the beetroot thing and we need to grate it. So add the grated beetroot. Add some amount of curd. Little bit of curd is enough just to enhance the taste. Add needed amount of salt. After this, I am going to cook this in the electric cooker. So now I am going to add the beetroot masala and the rice into the cooker. This is basmati rice. I am going to wash the rice. Now I am going to transfer both the things into electric cooker. We are going to mix it. I am adding the rice. I have taken 2 cups of rice. And after that, just mix it up nicely. I am going to add 2 cups of water. It's almost done. You can see the texture of the biryani. It is the correct texture. Now the red biryani is ready. I'm sure that you will be enjoying this if you try this in your home. I want to thank All India Mart once again for stirring my memories back. I want to dedicate this biryani and this show also to my family. Without fail, please try this in your home. Definitely you'll be liking it.